Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a MAGCUBE PD 100W 2-port volt charger from AOHi. If you are looking for portability and fast charging for your device, this is something you should consider. Well, in terms of the packaging, you do get this nice little retail box with a picture of the product on the front and some key features printed on the back. You do get 18 months hassle-free warranty with this, and let's jump into the unboxing. Well, inside you do get 100W PD charger, printed user guide and last type C to C charging cable. This cable is about 4 feet long and nylon braided well-made cable which will last long for sure. You do get 480 Mbps data transfer speed with this type C cable, and of course it is capable of delivering 100W max power. Furthermore, this cable has small display showing real-time charging speed, which is very handy to have. Moving on to the design and the specification of this charger, it is very compact in size and perfect travel companion due to its portability. Furthermore, the weight is about 200 grams, and in terms of the product dimensions, it is about 60 by 61 by 32 millimeters. This is the quick size comparison between MAGCUBE 30W charger, which we did a complete review previously in our channel, and again this is a size comparison between Apple 61W MacBook Pro charger. As you can see, this is a great quality and portable wall charger thanks to the compact design. With this MAGCUBE 100W charger, you can achieve efficiency and fast charging thanks to the advanced GaN Plus technology. Means this charger is made out of gallium nitride, which helps to conduct electricity faster and more efficiently. Because of this, it makes this charger smaller in size and bigger in power without generating excess heat, providing fast and efficient charging for laptops, tablets and mobile phones. Furthermore, this charger is designed with overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating and short circuit protection to keep you and your device safely. Front you can see the mesh design with dual USB-C port, and top you can see the charging status LED indicator. Having said that, this LED indicator has 3 different colors which represent 3 different charging status. When it shows solid blue means it is on standard charging. When it shows breathing yellow means it is on fast charging, and last, when it shows solid green, it is on trickle charging mode. Moving on to the side, you can see the brand name printed, and other side you can see the 100W with GaN Plus printed. And last, this charger has a foldable prongs design which makes it more convenient for storage purpose when not in use. When it comes to the performance, supports up to 100W PD fast charging during single port use, allowing fast charging for MacBook Pro 16-inch from 0% to 45% in only 30 minutes and from 0 to 100% in about 1.8 hours, providing fast and efficient charging for laptop, tablets and phones. In my test, I did try it with the iPad Pro. iPad battery was 33% when the test began, and the indicator changed to the breathing amber means it is on fast charging mode. These are some charging readings we took using the test device. It is delivering 14.8 volt with 1.8 amp and running with the power of 27 volts. And it took about 1 hour and 8 minutes to reach 97% of battery. Furthermore, when I test with Samsung S21 Ultra with about 14% battery life, it took about 1 hour to reach 100%. Also, charging reader came up with 9.2 volts with 2.7 amp and ran with power of 25 volts. Next, we tried with Lenovo Tab P11 with 37% battery. MAGCUBE managed to charge it rapidly with 5.1 volt with 2.5 amp and ran with the power of 13.2 volts. Moving on to the iPhone 12 Pro Max charging, we got 8.8 volt with 1.8 amp and running with power of 16.4 volts. And last, with the Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 model, we got 19.7 volt running with power of 56.8 volts. However, using intelligent power allocation technology, the dual port PD power adapter automatically detects and optimizes the power supply to ensure the connected device always gets the best charge, achieving high speed charging of 2 devices at the same time. With this 100W PD charger, you can now fast charge 2 laptops or laptop and a phone simultaneously. This will save your charging time and will help to improve your productivity. And finally, thanks to the universal compatibility, you can charge most smartphones, laptops, tablets and accessories with this charger. The retail price for this charger is $85.99, and you can get 18 months warranty with this product. If you are fancy getting one, please check the link in the description down below. So with that all being said, let me know what do you think about this 100W PD charger in the comment section down below. If you like the content, please hit the like and also do consider subscribe to see more videos like these. Well, see you again with another one, and stay safe.